And last but not least, our garlic. You can just rough chop your garlic and into the mixing bowl. Now that we have that out of the way, onto our miso paste. The miso paste, like I said before, kind of adds body to the glaze. You need about 3 tablespoons or 2 heaping like this. 2 heaping should be fine. Again, this is something that you can adjust depending on the amount that you're making. Along with that, a small amount of mirin, which is Japanese rice wine. This will help liquefy the sauce. That's about a tablespoon. About half a teaspoon of sesame oil. That gives it a little bit of a nutty flavor. Helps also to coat the salmon. And then your favorite honey. We prefer the orange blossom honey. It has a nice deep flavor. It's very sweet and very rich flavored. About 2 tablespoons of that. If you don't want to use honey, you could use an orange concentrate that you would make your orange juice from. And last but not least, about a tablespoon of tamari. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with tamari, tamari is an aged soy sauce. It has less salt in it. It has a deeper, richer flavor. Kind of adds that nutty flavor and nutty aroma to the meal that we're cooking tonight. So let me go ahead and get all this mixed up together, and we'll be back in a minute to go on to the next step of our marinade.